Hi, in this video we are going to guide you how to download and use the Orfeo ToolBox software. For those who don't know what the Orfeo ToolBox is, we can briefly say that it is remote sensing software that can process high-resolution optical, multispectral and radar images at the terabyte scale. A wide variety of applications are available, from ortho-rectification or pansharpening, all the way to classification, SAR processing, and much more. For this purpose, search for Orfeo ToolBox in your browser. Find the official website of Orfeo ToolBox. The official website address is orfeo-toolbox.org. We enter the website of Orfeo ToolBox. Descriptions, specification and all versions of the software can be viewed in the first page. You can read them to get to know much more about the Orfeo ToolBox. Okay. Now we download the latest version of the software, which is 8.1.2 released on 2023. To easy access, the download option has been placed on the top of the website. On the next page, the different versions of the software are available for most platforms such as Windows, macOS, Linux and Docker. By clicking on each one, the corresponding file will be downloaded. Since we are Windows user, so we download the Windows version. You should download the software based on your platform. The size of the software is not large and can be easily downloaded. Click on the downloaded file or find it in the Downloads folder. Unzip or decompress the file by an unzipper software. It takes a few minutes to be fully extracted. In the software folder you can see two batch files. Firstly, right-click on MapleA and run as administrator. Then right-click on Monteverdi and run as administrator. As you can see, the software was opened and displayed. You can perform all your processing inside the software. If you don't know how to use the software, we'll record a complete video in the future and show you how to use the software. Stay tuned.